Go on. Let's
Okay. Mm, the presentation is from the foreign photographer, the linguistic analysis. My name is Rodrigo Mejia Conde, and today I will present mobile applications that combine optical character recognitions or auxiliary with linguistic analysis. The main objective of the project is to transform visual text contains in image into editable text and they can by analyzing using linguistic resource. Mm. How can we analyze this text that is existed only as image? A large amount of potential basal linguistic information does not exist of digital text. Instantian is a pair photograph scanned documents, posters, books, phone, screenshots, on many other visual formats. Traditional linguists tool generally require digital text or input. Therefore, before an linguist analysis can be performed, the text first needs to be extracted from the image. There is a gap between visual information and linguistic resource. Reading visual text and linguistic resource. On the left which we have visual text source, this includes photographs, scanned documents, books, format, posters, transcriptions. On the right side, we have linguistic resource, source or corporal language in databases and dictionary and analysis tools. The problem is that the two words of this disconnect. Um, Applications act is bridged between them. It converts visual text into digital text and makes it available for language analysis within the same environment. And integrate mobile solutions. The application provides a complete workflow with a single mobile application. First, user compiler or importers animes. Then the next is extract using auxiliary. The extracted text can review it, edited, and analyzed. Finally, the results are present through visual indicators and reports. The applications also emphasize privacy because the processing is performed locally on the base. In addition, usability directamente to mobile services making linguistics analysis more accessible. The other component is responsible for extracting from the machines. User can later capture una photography or select distinct images for devices. The application automatically detects and extracts textual and content. The extracted text can be edited, copied, or the clipboard exported or set to linguistic analysis module. An important advantage is that the user can work with post-fast text in real-world conditions, which rewards perfect scanning documents. And linguistic search. Once the text is available, the linguistic analytics processing begins. The text may come native from observed extraction or retrieved from the clue word. The system performs normalization of the connection before applying linguistic processing. Lexical information is obtained from the four corpora, including corpus 21 and the corpus español web or COW. The analysis also considering grammatical categories such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. The source allows the application to estimate lexical difficulty and frequency of use. Visual interpretations. The results are present through color-based visual representations. Each color is classified according to its frequency of use. Very frequent words appear in colors, with less frequency words appear in different colors. Dialogues usually identify lexical complexities quickly and intuitively. Instantaneous racing numerical values long user can evaluate recognize which parts on text contain more common or less common vocabulary. And the reports and applications. In other tutorials, there will be visual representation, the applications generation, and listing report. The report includes an every lexical score from 1 to 10, vocabulary distributions, information, automatic interpretations, and radic recommendations. The result can be useful in different contexts. For example, they may support educational activities, language research, accessibility studies, and language learning. The objective is not only the provide data, but also the facility interpretations. The movie, the demo, and the conclusions. The conclude these applications is not intended to replicate existing language resource. Instead, it facilitates access to resource from content that ordinarily exists on only as images. The project integrates images statistics, also linguistic analysis, and reporting within a single mobile workflow. Processing is formatted locally on the device, reducing the dependency on external services. The application also helps bring linguistic resources closer to visual and mobile environments. Future work include the integrations of the additional language resource, analysis modules, and expanded lexical databases. I will have answers and answer and questions.
Thank you very much, Rodrigo, for the presentation. May somebody want to make a question, a comment? If anyone wants, just raise your hand. Here.
Well, I have one question. You put slides in which you present the OCR that you have used. Or no?
Repeat.
The sound quality is not good now. Can you repeat?
Rodri, you have to mute.
Or maybe you can write
Rodri, cierra el micro para que no se escuche duplicado.
Please,
Okay.
Now
it's off. Okay. Rodrigo, it's just one simple question. What technology have you used in order to perform the optical recognition of the different characters?
the OCR.
The OCR. Which technology? A classical one, one related in AI, one LLM? What is the technology that you have used for the OCR?
Yeah,
I have muted your microphone. You need to unmute.
Okay. The technology is not done here. Never. It's the Google ML Kit, one motor tools local device of offline, not service externes de Google or other service externes. It's full offline, and the Google is very potente, no sé cómo decirlo.
Powerful.
Powerful. Esa sería la tecnología.
Okay, thank you.
But Maybe in that respect, because we have been working on that, you may know what is really working better, because we the day before yesterday, we were presenting because we had to work with the OCR to recover all the corpus from the book of Charles Van Diccionario, de Teoría General de Sistemas. Mute. And then we saw that we have to go to artificial intelligence OCRs in order to make up to get better resources. So Daniel knows, because he had to investigate a lot.
But our sources were really noisy with badly formatted original text. So, well, in our case, it was it gave us a better solution, but it hasn't to be the optimal solution for every case, of course.
Yeah. But in case you find any issues regarding the conversion into the text, I can remember when we were doing some testing it was in March, I believe, when we meet in Universidad Complutense. When the capture is being done, when the recognition of the characters is being done, sometimes may appear depending on the text, and it could be for the future, at least for the future work. Maybe good bearing in mind that if it's too noisy, as Daniel is saying, maybe other kind of OCRs can be interesting, at least to try. If that were a problem. But in any case, that's only one part, of course, because I think the expanded lexical database and to do other analysis, because it is mostly done, as I have seen, on the metrics of the usage of frequent words and so on. Maybe also trying on other analytics, I think it can be worth, but for the future. Okay, so thank you very much.
I think
also, Anna, you raised your hand. I don't know whether she raised intending to say something, or she wanted just to give an applause. Because I think she raised the hand and then right after.
Okay.
Hola.
Anna?
Hi, sorry. Sorry, I'm driving, and I just wanted to. Rodrigo did, and Rodrigo was checking different OCRs, and we finally decided that the Google OCR is the best one, because we were trying even with letters in t-shirts. So, and even with that letters that were not completely plain and everything, it works really, really good. And we previously worked with were not so good. Can you hear me?
The sound is very bad, Anna.
I think your connection.
Yeah,
we can.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, because
or maybe our.
I'm driving.
See,
I'm so sorry. Yeah.
You have to tell us afterwards. Because Daniel was believing.
But the idea is that Rodrigo was trying with different OCRs, and finally we decided to use the Google OCR because it's the best one. So I just wanted to say that.
Okay. So it's very reliable. Okay.
Yeah, we tried with others, even in t-shirts, and the letters were not plain, and even with letters in t-shirts and in other documents that were not completely plain, it works really, really good. Even with curves
that-
and everything.
That's very interesting. We get best results with really noisy images with Padil OCR. It's a Chinese effort, and it's very powerful. Well, we will try Google also. Thank you so much.
Which one you said? Sorry, Daniel.
Paddle OCR.
Padil OCR is a pipeline.
Paddle Ocean,
system.
Paddle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Paddle.
I'm sorry.
Yes,
OCR.
they have a very big system. Yeah, sure you
Perdón,
know.
es que estoy en una reunión.
Pero es que necesito que me haga eso porque se habla de reservar.
Sí, me voy ahora mismo, perdón. Estaba pensada que iba para allá. Sí, sí.
Okay, we'll,
Sorry.
thank you. We got the idea.
We will discuss later. That's,
I'm
thank
sorry.
You so much.
Yeah.
No.
Thank you, Ana.
to you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we can move to Asier.